Hi folks, Dave from the Art Factory broadcasting from our Mercado. Today I'm going to explain how our app works with the planning process. As you know, we design custom weddings for our couples, and that customization happens between you and our planners utilizing our app. Let me show you how that works. So this is the app. It's called Basecamp. And if you go to the home screen, you'll see all of our couples that are getting married here at the Art Factory. And every couple is assigned a team. Let's go to Ashley and Bill. We just moved them from May to November because of the crisis. By the way, we've been able to accommodate everybody so far. So this is where the convo takes place. Let's go to Campfire. If you go to Campfire, you're going to see Ashley happens to be one of our brides. Billy is her fiance. And you can see me chatting with them over on the side over here. We go up a little bit more, you're going to see how our planners are involved. We have Sarah, one of our planners. Go up a little bit more. You have Maritza, she's another one of our planners. And so all of our planners, our entire team, are on this app with you. If you go back to Ashley and Bill's page, you're going to go down to Docs and Files. You'll see some of Ashley's inspiration. So she did what one of our brides coined brain dump on the app. That's like Pinterest ideas or things that you've seen here in the factory that you'd like to have for your wedding. For instance, you can see the thrones we built for one of our couples, another backdrop that we built for one of our couples, very, very customized. Ashley and Bill happen to like some of the elements that we've done for other couples, and they can incorporate them into their wedding if they so choose, or you can download some Pinterest ideas and we can run from there as well. If you go back, you can see some of the other inspiration that they liked. And we'll go back to Docs and Files, where you can see, if you click on Logistics and Design, you'll see all of the notes that were put together for their wedding. When the bride's going to arrive, when the groom's going to arrive, when their ceremony is going to start. The details that they like for decor, white lanterns and flowers for floaters. All kinds of other details. So everything that has to do with your wedding is here on the app, and this way nobody misses a trick. And everything that you desire, our team knows what you desire, and we put it together for you. If you look at all the people that are on this team, for instance, you'll see that we have Andy, he's our head of security and our trolleys. Myself, my wife Donata, Janelle, Noel, Maritza, and Sarah, those are planners. Ashley and Billy, that's the couple. And Workflow. Workflow is our team that puts together your wedding the day of. So they are also involved with everything that's going on. And so they know exactly how to set up each individual wedding. So now we're going to transition back to me. And thanks for joining us. Looking forward to seeing you at the Art Factory.